Today we are reviewing the use of a and an, but we are looking at the exceptions to the rule. Do we say a alligator or an alligator? We say an alligator. Remember, in our last lesson, we said that when a word begins with a vowel, we say an. We use the word an. And remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So we say an alligator. Do we say a crown or an crown? Remember our rule, when a word begins with a vowel, we say an, and when a word begins with a consonant, we use a. So we have a crown. C is a consonant. We have a house. A and H is a consonant. A house. Do we say a hand or an hand? We say a hand. A, H is a consonant. So we have a hand. Do we say a hourglass or an hourglass? Hourglass begins with the letter H, and the letter H is a consonant. But we do not say a hourglass, we say an hourglass. And we say an hourglass because the H is silent. So the first sound you are hearing is the sound of a vowel. You are hearing hour, hour. We are not saying hour, we say hour, an hourglass. So because the H is silent, this is one of the exceptions to the rule. Although the H is a consonant, it is silent. So we say an hourglass. We say an honor. So we have a medal given to someone, an honor, right? An honor. The H here again is silent. We do not say honor. We say honor. So the first sound you are hearing is the sound of a vowel. So therefore we say an. So as you can see, when the H is silent, we say an. Do we say a uncle or an uncle? We say an uncle because U is a vowel, and we know our rule. When a word begins with a vowel, A, E, I, O, and U, we say an. Umbrella. We have an umbrella. Again, U is a vowel, so we say an umbrella. Now, unicorn. Unicorn also begins with U. Do we say a unicorn or an unicorn? We say a unicorn because U here has a long sound. You are hearing U, almost as Y-O-U, U. When the U has a long sound, we say A, we use A. So in umbrella, the U had a short U, so we say an umbrella. But in unicorn, it's a long U sound, so we say a unicorn. What is the policeman wearing? He is wearing a uniform. Again, uniform begins with U, but because it is a long U, we say a uniform. It is a long U sound. So when the letter U has a long sound, we do not use an. Although U is a vowel, we use a when the sound is long. University. University. University begins with the letter U. But which sound are we hearing? Are we hearing the short U or the long U? University. We are hearing the long U sound. Therefore, we say a university. The sound is long. This is the picture of a ukulele. It looks like a guitar. It's a ukulele. And again, the sound is long. You are hearing the long U. So we wouldn't say an ukulele. We would say a ukulele. When the U has a long sound, we use a and not an. So children, so far we have learned that we use a before words beginning with a consonant, except when the H is silent. So we know that the letter H is a consonant, right? The letter H is a consonant, so we would say a house. But because the H is silent, we say an hour. The H is silent. We are not hearing the H, but we are hearing the letter O. So we say an hour. We say a house, but we say an hour. So this is one of the exceptions to the rule with a and an. When the H is silent, we use an. The second rule, the second exception to the rule, we use an before words beginning with a vowel, except when the U makes a long sound. So the letter U is a vowel, so we say an umbrella. Remember we said an uncle, right? An umbrella, because you are hearing the short sound. You are hearing oh. But when the U makes a long sound, as in unicorn and uniform and university and ukulele, we say a. So these are the exceptions to the rule, and you have to learn it. So you are going to look at the video again, and you are going to listen to the words. You are going to say the sounds for yourself, and you are going to learn the rules that we use a before words beginning with a consonant, except when the H is silent. And we use an before words beginning with a vowel, except when the U makes a long sound. So I will send you some worksheets in the classroom which you will complete. I have come to the end of my lesson. Remember children, always keep reaching for the stars.